So today I traded once, not once, but I traded two tickers, OCX and NOVN, two morning spikers. My big mistake was trading OCX on the backside. I bought it on the backside thinking that was gonna rip, but no. It I I have like a 5% risk on each of the trades. I traded like 3 times on it, I think. Is it? Yes, I believe so. Let me check. Yes, I traded 3 times on OCX, which was a big mistake. I traded once on NOVN. So today my overall loss was like approximately $20. 2% of my overall accounts wasn't very good because like what it was like I'm planning to risk $5 on every trade. So there, risking $5 and to make like $15. This time I lost like $20. Yeah, over traded on this one. I should have stopped when my risk when it hit $10. Instead I continued. So yeah. And here is my screen. As you can see here, these are all my trades. And these are my orders. Some are filled, some were canceled. So let's see, where was it? OCX. This was a ticker that I traded today. I basically hold throughout all these consolidations. It was dropping order like 20%, and I think that it could come back up, right? My first trade on it wasn't very good. I saw that there's a support at like 197, right? What I did was I bought it at 207 before I actually prove that there's support there. So that's what I did. And with that, I basically just cut it like as it hit 197. Like right here. I cut my losses right here. I got chopped. Wasn't too good. My second trade was right here, 204. This time my risk was 194. I was aiming to make to take profits in the 230. The thing was, I should have sold when it failed to break VWAP. See, as I get closer to VWAP, it kept breaking VWAP, and it's basically consolidation. I held my 204 positions all the way from 739s to like yeah, all the way here. This is where I took my losses. I should have sold right here. There was double topping, a lower highs. This big move right here was key. That it's just that the trend's gonna break was key. I should have taken my profits up here and just break even on the trade. I should have done that. Should have, would have, could have, but I held throughout. Took my $5 loss on this consolidations. Took my $5 loss on here, and then as it was coming back up, I retraded again, thinking that it's gonna break VWAP and it's gonna go up, but nope. It failed, and I took my losses. It was like a $4 loss in here. So I really shouldn't have bought it on the backside. There were uh, better plays, especially like if you look at MDR, as you can see here. I saw it down here, but I saw it down here when I already took like $20 loss. So basically, no more tradings. I saw it down here. So it ripped up to $6. Missed the whole move. Witnessed it, but missed the whole move. 4 to 500% move. That was very nice. And it's not good to chase because as you can see here, it basically dropped all the way. It dropped like $2 and then halt and drop more. It did have some nice recovery back from 330 to 470. So that's like $1.48 a share on your money. But still, OCX, I just based on how many trades I did on it, it was a force. As you can see there, I forced it. So I basically took my losses here, $5 on each. It's fine, still small, but I basically gave back all my profits from the last 2 weeks on this one trade, and my overall losses for the month is -3. So I lost like $3 overall. And then my trade on NOVN, NOVN, it was all right. I entered thinking that it was gonna thinking that was panicking. Should not have entered like right away here. I should not have entered right away here. Should have entered like should have waited for a bigger panic because this is less than 10%, way less than 10%. If it's like one um 1 to 2 minutes or 3 minutes, drop from like Sunday 4 to like maybe it's 65 or 60 or in the 50s. That's a panic. That would be a good dip buy. But yeah, the good part is I I basically cut it on my risk because as you can see, it dropped even more. I lost like $4 on here. My risk was 2 cents. So yeah, fine. So overall, I lost like 19.95. My trading mistakes today was on OCX, buying the backside and not selling into strength. Yeah, buying the backside, not selling into strength, cutting my losses into profits. That's my mistakes. I think the only good thing that I did was cutting my losses according to my risk. My risk hit, I cut. It did show that I do have the patience for it, but into consolidations, not very good. It would be better for like waiting for a breakout VWAP and enter based on like all the consolidations. Could have been like a fake out here, but it's fine. If I have a risk, I'm totally fine with it. So yeah, that's basically it. Thinking that it's gonna come back up, it failed, and I took my losses. But I forced it. Yep, I forced the trade, forced the ticker. When it's on the backside, consolidation on the backside is not good. If it's consolidation on the upside, that's good. On the front side, that's good. That's okay. But consolidations on the backside, failed to breakout, nah. It's a breakdown. So yeah. And then let's look at MDR. This right here is the backside. Right here All short squeezes, I think. I believe mainly short squeezes, making this big move as well as a pump and dump. And yeah, so overall, I lost like $20. This is a nice OTC runner. OTC has been running like a lot this month. This is an OTC. Has nice move from like less than a cent to 8 cents, which is very nice. 1000% on your money there. Congrats to all the long. Might be something to watch for tomorrow too, or something to watch for 2 o'clock. If it could dip and then bounce off a VWAP, potential's gap up, and then tomorrow if it could break at 8 cents, could possibly move higher. Just look at HALB. Very nice morning move from 4 cents to 7 cents. That's a 3 cents on your money there. OTC. Another one that I was watching. Very nice move there. In SPC, in SPX, another OTC runner. Very nice morning panic. Very nice dip buying opportunities. You have two chances, one right here and another right there. Higher lows 37, and then it moved. That's 2 cents on your money there. That's 60%. It's a very nice morning panic. Is it morning panic? Yes. It's very nice morning panic. It gap down. Everybody flushes. You buy at 3 cents 60, 3.6 cents. That's 20% right there. 20%. Yeah. 20 to 25% right there. This this one move. Or if not, this quick move. Another 20, basically 20% on this 1 minute. And then here is 60%. So yeah, OTCs have some very nice opportunities this month. Congrats to all those OTC buyers. But Nasdaq has some very nice short squeezes once in, once in a while. Overall, very choppy. But yeah, my mistakes. Being too patient on the backside. That's something I need to learn. Don't be patient on the backside. Could be a bit patience on the front side, but if um if risks is hit, cut my losses. Need to cut quicker though. Yeah, and that'll be all.